over dragon's teeth and wire, as oak leaves fall to ground. The sound of war inspires, but fate of will was drowned. The left undermines the value of truth so dearly lost. No sacrifice remembered by the heroes he did cross. A hero is born through ashes of former glory. A teacher rises high, in his eyes shines the story. In defiance of lies so told, in the tears of true hearts lost, from the shadows of the last bunker is Klovekorn, the relic hunter. Klovekorn, the relic hunter. Down waterlogged trenches, rusted relics and helmets worn, blazes in glory on YouTube. This historian from the dawn. A hero is born through ashes of former glory. A teacher rises high, his eyes signs the story. In defiance of lies so told, in the tears of true hearts lost, from the shadows of the last bunker is Klovekorn, the relic hunter.